Hi, I'm Randy Vance from Boating Magazine. I'm at Fort Lauderdale on Dockmate's boat. This is a demonstration boat that links two thrusters, a bow thruster, a stern thruster, and a single engine, all through this joystick system here that, as you can see, is remote control. So you can see you've got these arrows that indicate the direction of your bow thruster, your stern thruster. This controls your windlass, should you decide to. And then you can control your big engine and your thrusters all through this joystick. So the first thing we're going to do, let's line the boat up a little bit straight, and then I'm going to push the joystick forward and take this out, and you can see that that's got quite a bit of throttle there. Now they can adjust that throttle to whatever setting you want. I'm going to go ahead and tap it back in reverse and stop our forward motion. Let's do a pivot here. I can do this from anywhere in the boat.
Imagine having a large boat that you can barely see over the bow or stern, and the advantage of being able to stand anywhere you wanted to be able to see what you're doing.
Now I want to just nudge the bow over, so I'm going to use the control for just the bow thruster. A little too much. Now let's nudge it forward. So you get my point, but let's back it in now. That's what everybody hates to do. I'm going to come in and I'm going to turn it around so that the controls still work the way I want them to. Do a little pivot here. Feathering the throttle. Right, yeah. Okay, let's stop. There we go. We'll just slide right back in. Coming a little close to the dock, so we're going to give it a little sideways on the joysticks. Let the thrusters push us over. Go easy on the throttle. And we're home. So that's it. Dockmate. It will run on multiple engines. It'll run many different things, and I can honk the horn from right there. I'm Randy Vance for Boating Magazine.